everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we're reviewing Unit 3 Shapes. We learned how to say, how are you doing? We also learned how to say, I'm fine, thank you. We also learned different action words like walk, run, turn around, stand up, sit down. And we also learned the names of different shapes like circle, heart, triangle, rectangle, and square. On page 20, we're going to match. Remember, match means 맞는 걸로 연결하기. In number 1, the question says, how are you today? Let's find the picture that answers the question, but we need to make sure they're in the same room. The teacher looks like she's in a classroom. So let's look at the pictures on the right to see where the classroom is. I'm fine, thank you. Great job. In number 2, we're going to do the same thing. How are you today? This person looks like she's at home. So let's find the answer where the person is at home. How are you today? I'm fine. And number 3. How are you today? This person looks like they're in a restaurant. I'm fine, thanks. Check your answers and we'll move to the next page. On page 21, the directions say write a check or an X. Number 1, we're going to write a check for all the pictures of walk. walk을 표현하는 사진들에는 책을 그릴 거고 walk을 표현하지 않는 사진들에는 X를 그릴 거예요. Ready? In the first picture, this boy is not walking. He's running. So we'll draw an X. In the next picture, what are they doing? 천천히 걸어가고 있는 것 같아서 we're going to draw a check. In the last picture, this cat looks like it's running. So we'll draw an X. In number 2, we need to draw a check for all the pictures of run. We will draw an X if it's not a picture of run. run을 표현하는 사진들에는 check. 근데 아니면 X. In the first picture, this person just finished a race. race를 할 때는 제일 빨리 끝내기 위해서 달리잖아요. 그러면 run, check. In the second picture, this boy looks like he's walking. So we'll draw an X. run 아니니까. In the last picture, this girl is walking her dog. walk이니까 X. In part C, we need to match and say. In the first picture, we need to find the other picture on the bottom that shows stand up. Right here. In the second one, we need to find the other picture that shows walk. It's right here. Great job. In the third one, we need to find the picture that shows turn around. Right here. And in the next one, we need to find a picture of run. Great job, right here. And the last one is sit down. Great job. check your answers and we'll go on to the next page. On page 22, we are going to trace. Remember, trace means to follow the lines to write or draw. In number 1, we are going to trace a picture of a circle. Ready? Circle. In number 2, this is a square. A square. In number 3, this is a triangle. A triangle. And in number 4, this is a heart. Great job! In part B, the directions say complete the pattern. Complete means to finish. We're going to finish the pattern. So if we see here, our first shape is a circle. Then we have a square. Oh, and then again a circle and again a square. Good job! We need to trace the shapes. We have circle, square, circle, square. In number 2, we have triangle, heart. Triangle, heart. Let's trace. In our last one, this one is very long. We have heart, square, circle. Heart, square, circle. Great job! Let's go to the next page. On page 23, we're going to trace, then draw. In number 1, we need to trace the circle. Then we're going to draw a circle. In number 2, we're going to trace a triangle, and then we will draw a triangle. In number 4, we're going to trace a square, and then draw a square. And our last one, we will trace a heart and draw a heart. Great job! Let's keep going. On page 24, we're going to match and circle. In number 1, we need to match the picture of a star. When we find it, we need to circle it. For example, we will match and circle the star. In number 2, we're looking for a rectangle. Can you find a rectangle? Great, it's right here. Now we need to circle the rectangle. In number 3, we're looking for a diamond. I'll give you a hint. It's above the bed. 침대 위에 있어요. Great! A diamond is right here. Don't forget to circle. And our last one, we're looking for an oval. Right here. Great job. Let's go to part B. This part is easy. It says to trace. Our first shape is a star. Our next shape is a rectangle. And we have a diamond. And last, an oval. Fantastic! Let's keep going. On page 25, we're going to complete the pattern and write. Remember, complete means to finish. 남은 패턴들은 우리가 그려야 돼요. Number 1, if we look at the last space or 마지막 칸에 보면 the question says, is it a star? Is this a star? Yes, it is. In number 2, the question is it an oval? 일단, first, let's trace. Let's look at the pattern. We have a heart, an oval, heart, oval. 그럼 다음에 뭐가 나와야죠? Heart, oval, heart, oval, heart. Great job. Let's draw a heart. So the question asked, is it an oval? 이게 oval인가요? No, it isn't. It's a heart. Let's trace. And last, number 3. Is it a triangle? Let's trace. Now let's look at the pattern. We have triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Triangle, very good. Is it a triangle? Yes, it is. Don't forget the comma. Comma, it is. Great job! We'll go to the next page. On page 26, we're going to circle and say. For example, in number 1, we are looking at the letters E, F, G, and H, but they are big letters or capital letters. 대문자죠? Let's find and circle the capital letters E, F, G, H. Our first one we have A, B, C, D. 아니고 E, F, G, H. 찾았다. So we'll circle. Next we have B, C, D, E. C, D, E, F. E, F, G, H. 대문자 circle. In number 2, we have E, F, G, H, but lowercase, 소문자, little letters. Ready? D, E, F, G. E, F, G, H. Circle. Now we have D, E, F, G. E, F, G, H. Circle. And last, C, D, E, F. Bang. Great job. Let's go to part B. It says to circle and trace. In number 1, we are going to trace the big E and the little e. Now we need to circle a picture that starts with the letter E. Our first picture is a car. The second picture is an egg. And the last picture is a goat. So we need to circle the picture of an egg because it starts with the letter E. Great job! Do number 2, 3, and 4 by yourself and we'll check your answers. 벌써 끝났어요? Wow, so fast! Let's check. Number 2, we have the big F or capital letter F and the small or lowercase f. We need to circle a picture of the fish. In number 2, we have the letter G and the small g. We'll circle a picture of a gorilla. And next is the letter H. So we will circle the middle picture of a house. Great job! Let's go to the last page. On this last page, we are going to trace and write. In number 1, the question asks, is it a star? Let's trace. 별인가요? Yes, it is. Number 2, is it a rectangle? Let's trace. rectangle인가요? No, it isn't. 그럼 뭐죠? Ah, it's a circle. Great job. Number 3, is it an oval? 오블이 맞나요? Yes, it is. And last, is it a triangle? No, it isn't. Check your spelling and we're all done. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video.